a Team Haley member to a Team South Carolina member.
Well, less than a week after being elected and just a few days after promising some changes in her administration, Governor Nikki Haley delivering on that promise. Good Monday evening to you. I'm Brian McConkey.
And I'm Janet Parker. Nikki Haley, in her first full week as re-elected governor, already changing one of the players in her cabinet. And the move could affect health care in South Carolina. WACH Fox reporter Tara Pettit was at the State House today for that announcement and has much more on what the governor is saying. Tara?
Brian, current Director of Health and Human Services Tony Keck officially announced today that he is resigning from his position. At the same news conference held today, Governor Haley nominated Christian Soura as the new acting director. Both Keck and Haley think Soura is the right man for the job. However, 4 years ago, when the budget guru was brought into the Haley administration at a salary of $1 a year for an unknown position, some critics were a little confused. And now that $1 a year employee is the acting director of South Carolina's $7 billion agency.
He was the man behind the curtain for a long time. People knew he was there. They didn't quite know what he did.
Governor Haley announcing Monday that Christian Soura will be South Carolina's new head of Health and Human Services, which directs the state's Medicaid agency. Soura was initially hired into the Haley administration in 2011 for an unannounced job that paid the salary of $1 per year. That same year, he became a deputy chief of staff with a six-figure salary.
I don't think there's anybody else in the United States who's better positioned to really take us to the next level.
When Tony Keck became the Director of Health and Human Services in 2011, he had a $228 million deficit. He has spent 25 years in the healthcare field and is leaving the Haley administration to work for a private sector health company. Soura has never been the head of a healthcare agency. Despite that, he says he has experience in the field through other jobs.
Tony and I have worked together these past 4 years to put together these initiatives, and so there's going to be a real sense of continuity.
Soura says as the acting director, he will continue to advance the efforts made by himself and Keck.
We'll continue to improve the patient experience of care in terms of access and quality, to improve the health of populations around the state, and to reduce the per capita cost of care.
Now with Christian Soura stepping up, that opens the Deputy Chief of Staff position. Haley announced today that everything should come together in the next couple weeks about who will take over that job. Meanwhile, Soura says there's a lot of in-house work inside the agency to continue. Live in studio, Tara Pettit, WACH Fox News.